We spent 5 nights in an insider room on the Scarlet Lady with Virgin Voyages. Here are our thoughts on our experience overall. Firstly, we loved our room location because it was very quiet and very accessible to everything. There were only rooms above and below us. There were no crew doors, so it was extra quiet. It allowed us to use stairs to get around, as it wasn't far from the ship's restaurants and entertainment. The room itself was fairly spacious. It provided enough room for our luggage. The beds were firm and comfortable to our liking. The room temperature was very comfortable. We loved how modern the room was compared to other cruise ships we've been on. For example, the LED lights, technology, and cleanliness. The bathroom was small but functional. We loved the products in the shower, and the water pressure was fantastic. Inside the room, there is a tablet that controls everything from the TV, the light intensity, colors, and the temperature in the room. Overall, even though this was an interior room which does not have the iconic red hammocks, this was still an excellent room and complemented our entire Virgin Voyages experience. The modernness could be seen throughout the ship, everything from the safety videos to the decor. Have you been in an insider room or planning to go on one? What was your experience like? Feel free to share your thoughts and questions below. We appreciate the support and likes and subscriptions. Thanks for watching!